Today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my easiest breakfasts. I think this is one of the easiest so far. I made this last week with overnight oats. This one is Golden Milk Overnight Oats, which is just warming spices with turmeric and stuff. It's so easy. It's like my new, I'm like eating this more than buckwheat grits right now. So I want to show you guys how to make this. It's so simple and so good. And I top it with frozen raspberries that are thawed in the refrigerator. So let's go. So the first ingredient you're gonna need is coconut milk, but you can also use just a clean nut milk. You can do you. I like the coconut milk because it makes it creamier. So I love native forest, simple, no guars, no gumps. It's good, it's full fat. Again, coconut milk is a fat that is used as energy in our bodies. It's not stored as fat. So I love using ball glass jars because honestly, you can put a cap with them and it's just easy, and it has measurements on it. So I'm using half a cup of coconut milk. And then you all know I love my 3 Trees girls. They are local, San Francisco based, clean. It's just filtered water, organic almonds, French gray sea salt. That's it. And it's so good. So I'm gonna use a 1/4 cup of that. So basically 3/4 of a cup of milk. You can use any milk of choice. You can even use dairy. You do you. This is me. This is me. So next I'm gonna do a pinch of pink Himalayan sea salt. Pink Himalayan sea salt just brings out the natural flavors. Whew, I'm getting hot moving here. Okay, then I'm going to do turmeric. I love turmeric. We know all the benefits of it, and it's just beautiful. It just makes your food, it's beautiful. The next day, this is gonna be such a golden color. So I do a half a teaspoon of turmeric. I'm gonna do half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. This is the good cinnamon. I don't know, there's something about it, but check it out. I'm gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and I'm gonna do 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cloves, just because they are very pungent, but so good. And there we go, okay. And then I'm gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. These are warming spices, and they pair so well together. They're so good for our bodies this time of year. And then I'm gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. And the recipe is below if I'm going too fast for some of you. And then I like to add this, but again, you know what? Everyone does the thing different. You can do half a teaspoon, you can do none. I love maple syrup. You could also just add this after the fact when you heat up your oats in the morning, but I'm adding it now. I'm saving myself a step. And then this is optional, but I love a little bit of tahini in here. Again, I'm gonna add more later, but I don't know, I just love it. I just do a little splash of that. I love socotini. Yum. And last ingredient, and I love this because this is so easy in the morning to heat up. I'm just like, oh my God, this is like my new obsession. I love using sprouted steel cut oats. You could also use rolled oats, but I love sprouted steel cut oats because I like the chewiness of a steel cut oat. I just like it better. And also when you get sprouted, what's great about them is it's easily digestible and you get more of the nutrients that way. So it's like it's already been kind of pre-soaked kind of thing. And then all I'm going to do is put a cap on this, and I'm gonna do my famous shake. See, shake that up. It may look brown now, but it'll be really golden yellow in the morning. Gonna put that in the fridge. Next thing I'm gonna do is, because berries aren't in season and I love topping this with raspberries, I've got organic red raspberries here. I'm gonna basically open this bag, pour in the amount of raspberries. Raspberries are great because they're full of fiber. So a lot of fiber in these raspberries, and ladies, we need more fiber in our diet. So that is that. There you go. Take these two, they're in the fridge. And in the morning, I'm gonna pour this in a pan until it warms, and then pour it in a bowl, top it with like the berries, more tahini, some bee pollen, all that good stuff. But this is so easy and one of my new fave breakfasts.